This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Supercharger drive belt. Insert a 1/2 inch square drive breaker bar into the tensioner arm, then rotate the tensioner and remove the belt from the pulleys. Route the belt around the crankshaft pulley, over the supercharger pulley, lower idler pulley, and tensioner pulley. Then rotate the tensioner and slip the belt around the upper tensioner pulley. Make sure the belt is engaged completely into the pulley grooves. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolt securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely, then lay the floor mat in place. Water pump alternator drive belt. Remove the supercharger drive belt. Disconnect the electrical connector from the mass airflow sensor. Loosen the hose clamps and remove the air intake duct from the throttle body and air filter housing. Then detach the PCV tube from the duct. Rotate the tensioner and slip the drive belt off the pulleys. Route the belt around the crankshaft pulley, tensioner pulley, alternator pulley, and idler pulley. Then rotate the tensioner and slip the belt under the water pump pulley. Make sure the belt is engaged completely into the pulley grooves. Reinstall the air intake duct. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolt securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely, then lay the floor mat in place. Air conditioning compressor drive belt. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle by jacking under the front crossmember and supporting it on jack stands. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. If the belt is to be replaced with a new one, Cut it off with a pair of diagonal cutting pliers. If the belt is in good condition and it is just being removed for access to the compressor or the crankshaft pulley, a special tool is available that will roll the belt off the pulley as you turn the crankshaft with a socket and breaker bar. To install the belt, wrap it around the crankshaft pulley and partially around the compressor pulley. Then rotate the crankshaft. The belt will be lifted up onto the pulley. Make sure the belt seats properly in the grooves of the pulleys. Install the under-vehicle splash shield if equipped. Lower the vehicle to the ground Unblock the wheels.